Yeah.
Dude, what are you
I'm
doing?
trying to crack my own back here, but it's not working.
I got you, bro. Let me teach you.
Okay.
First, you're going to grab a mat and a roller. Place the roller in the middle of your back. Now, place your hands behind your head, keeping your butt and your feet flat on the ground. Lean all the way back. Open up your elbows, open your chest, and breathe in. Now, you're going to breathe out as you come in, bringing the elbows together. And reverse. Repeat this 10 times for 2 sets and hold as needed.
You hear that crack? Oh, so good.